Ciao a tutti! Hello everyone! I just got a new package! I got this package today and it's very soft, so I'm pretty sure this is what I think it is. So, let's try to open it. It's super soft. Here you go. We're gonna open it. Look. Open. 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 Oh my god! I have a colossal sliced bread. It's squishy! Look how nice it is! It really looks like a real sliced bread. It's like Hebrew bakery. These are gifts from my admirer. So whoever you are, you know who you are. Thank you very much. And look how squeezy it is! Oh my goodness, look! Look how soft icing. You see? Oh my god, if you do like that, dang, look how squishy it is. And I have another one. Oh my god, how cutie! It's a cake. It's a strawberry cake. And look how squishiest it is with strawberries. Oh, how adorable. Look at the icing. You see the icing? It really looks like icing from the one that I ate yesterday from, what's the name of the bakery? Bebong's. Oh my god, it looks like icing from the Bebong. I think I'm gonna have to eat it because it's super soft. Look. Oh my goodness. So now, let's try to open it. I'll try to open it this way.
You sure there's no
No, there's no syllable.
Okay.
It says do not eat because it really looks like a real sliced bread. Look at that. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, how adorable! I super like it. Look, I really hope there's no defect on it. So let's check. Like this part here is really realistic. This part here not so, because you can see at the bottom that it's like plastic. But at the bottom it's not so bad. Also this side here, you can see that there's very tiny defects like that one and that one, but other than that, it looks so perfect. Look at that. And let's try squishing it. Look how adorable it is. Look, it's super squishy. Super squishy. It's like the squishiest ever. You see what happens to the sliced bread? It's super squishy. And it smells also. It smells like real bread. Oh my god. Smell that one. Oh, super nice, the smell. I really love it. So you know who you are. Thank you very much for this squishy. So adorable. I really like this. Look at that. It's super slow rising. And it rises like slowly, but in a minute it's already there. Look. You see how squishy it is? It's like that, and then if I squeeze it so tightly and squeeze it, and ta-da! And it goes back to normal. It's very nice. So now let's open the second one. This is super adorable. I like this one also. First, I'd like to smell it. It smells strawberry-ish. It's so nice. Smells so nice. Smells like strawberry, really. So let's look for defects. At the bottom, there's no defect. At the side corner, there's no defect. And ta-da! It's perfect! Perfect squishy! There's no defect ever. So you can see their strawberries are adorable. And now let's try to... the icing really looks like the icing from Bebong's cake. So, super nice. Ooh. So let's try to squeeze it now. Squeeze. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's super soft. Look, if I squeeze it like that, you see how soft rising it is, low rising it is? It's super, 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 super soft. Look. I like it so much also. And if you squeeze it all together, ta-da! It goes back to its original position so easily. So adorable. So I'm hoping to get more of these soon, hopefully, and I'm gonna show it to you guys again. I'm gonna do vlogs so that I can share how it feels like, how it smells like. Oh my god, it's adorable. I wish you guys are here with me because definitely you're gonna like it. So stay tuned for other squishy vlogs that I'm gonna do. Look at that. And I know, right? I'm pretty old to be playing these squishy previews, but my daughter loves squishy, so I'm doing this for her. But I'm super enjoying it. Look. No wonder they said do not eat because it really, really, really looks like the real thing. What's lacking is the knife to cut it. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more for other vlogs of my next squishies to come. I don't like the small ones, so I'm asking people to send me, my admirers, to send me only the jumbo ones. So I'm pretty sure the jumbo ones are gonna be amazing. Super nice. Okay, see ya. Arrivederci. Mabuhay Pilipinas.